Here I have Tesla Model Y, and let me show you how to enable the Rear Cross-Traffic Chime. Let's begin. So, in order to have access to these settings, you need to use the car icon. From list of settings, let's choose here the safety. As you can see right here, let's scroll down, and here you should find the Rear Cross-Traffic Chime. I think in most cases you should have this feature enabled by default, but it's always a good idea to double check and to enable this feature by your own. And now your Tesla will beep to warn you if it detects a vehicle approaching from the side while you are in reverse. So it could be a really useful thing, especially when you are parking in closed spaces. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.